Assalamu alaikum, dear brothers and sisters. Welcome back to English with Mizan. How are you all doing today? I hope everyone seems to be pretty well by the grace of Almighty Allah. And yeah, I'm also quite good by the grace of Almighty Allah. So, dear brothers and sisters, please let me know in the comment those who are watching me right now. And if you hear me properly, please let me know in the comments so that I can make me clear about that people are watching me and hearing me clearly. Hey, right now I'm on live, and you may have a question that why you are on live. Actually, I'm on live because of my one of my followers. Not only my followers, he's one of my friends, and he was supposed to talk to me. That's I'm here, and he seems to be joining right now. Hello,
Hello, bro.
hello, brother.
Yeah,
How are you
brother.
doing?
Yeah, Alhamdulillah. After a long time later, I joined with you.
All right. I'm on top of the world to get you here. Oh,
Yeah, I'm really thankful to you because you sent me many time to record me, and
yeah,
finally
brother.
have
Yeah, brother.
accepted your request.
When you were facing the problem, I was trying over and again to join with.
Yes, brother.
So,
So,
brother, what are you doing right now?
uh, nothing. I'm staying in my room. You can see
Oh, all
there is my
right.
room
Okay.
where I staying.
So, brother, how is your exam? How was your exam? I think you just haven't lots of time behind your exam, right?
Yes, sir.
So, brother, how is everyone in your family right now?
Uh, they are sleeping right now. After dinner, they are sleeping.
Oh, so I think I should make my audience clear about you. So to me, ask you a couple of questions to get to know a little bit better. Hey, brother,
Yes.
I should make my audience clear about yourself. So may I ask you some questions?
Yeah, obviously. I'm ready to answer your question.
All right. So I'm gonna ask you some questions about yourself, and I will answer you one by one, and I will question you answer one by one, and you will answer me, right?
Yeah, obviously.
And if you have any question in the middle of our conversation, you can ask me repeat. Okay.
Yeah, obviously, bro.
Okay. So the first question I'm gonna ask you right now is, what's your name?
uh, my full name is Ibrahim Hussein Abrar, but my nickname is Abrar.
Abra. Okay. So what should I call you?
uh, you should call me Abrar or Ashbir.
Okay. Actually, I most of the time try to call those who are really speaking with me, those who are really practicing every single day with me. I try to call them brother, just brother.
Oh, yeah, obviously.
Okay. So, brother, what do you do?
Sorry, bro.
I mean, what do you do for a living?
Exactly, I live in Gaibamda. Do you know Gaibamda?
Hey, brother, the question was like, what do you do? What's your occupation? You seem to be a student, so I'm asking about like that.
Oh, I'm sorry. I can understand properly, bro. Yeah, I'm a student and I'm a teacher of primary school. Okay.
Oh, you are a teacher.
Yeah.
Wow, that's really great, and it sounds really, really fantastic. Okay, so brother, now I'm gonna ask you some questions about your brothers and sisters' parents. So, how many brothers and sisters do you have?
I have no brother. I'm only one person, and I have two sister in my family. Okay. My sister is big and one sister is small.
Oh, you're just one, so you seem to be passing your time very freely.
Yeah, yeah, obviously.
As you said that you're a teacher, but I didn't get the answer. What class do you study in right now?
Me.
Yeah, yeah.
Oh, I'm staying of one third year of Islamic University. My
Oh,
major is history of Islam. Okay.
oh, all right. So, do you do anything out of teacher? I mean, out of teaching experience?
Sometimes your voice is not clear. Okay. Yeah. Sometimes your voice is broken.
Well,
Okay.
yeah. It seems to be breaking. However, we have to get it anyway.
Um, I will be very happy because you will speak just slowly so that I can hear you properly. So,
Okay, okay.
how?
Yeah. Okay. Let me make it clear once again about the question. Actually, the question is like, what do you do out of teaching a student?
Oh, I'm really grateful to my all the students because teaching is very beautiful to all of us. Teaching is not occasion. Occasion. Teaching is uh, hard of realize. So I'm very proud to teach all the students. Okay.
Okay. So actually, I want to know about what do you do out of teaching your students?
Out of teaching mean.
I mean, without teaching your student, don't you do anything?
Oh, exactly. No.
Wow, the question is like this. Actually, you didn't get me properly.
Yes. Yes.
Okay. So, have you had dinner?
Yeah, I have completed my junior before 10 minutes ago. So
Oh,
what about you?
yeah. I haven't. I haven't had yet, and I think I will have after an hour.
After 1 hour. Oh, okay. So, brother, I don't know where are you from.
Yeah. I'm from Bangladesh, and I belong to Cox's Agna City, Mayor exact. And right now, I stay in a city plus club bank in the center of cosmopolitan in Chicago.
So I have a one question for you. So how is your feeling to talk to with me, and how is your feeling to talk any persons on the live session?
भाई शायद से कितने अर्जेंटीना से Brazil. Yeah, whenever I'm talking with different types of people on live or anywhere, I'm really comfortable and yeah, I'm really over the man while I'm talking with you. Not only with you, with different types of people on live or on Zoom.
Oh, okay. Brother, I'm not good at English as like as you, but I'm trying to say something. So please suggest me how to improve my English level.
Okay, that's really interesting question. Yeah, everyone asks the question you asked me. So if you really would like to improve your spoken English, so what you have to do? All you have to do is practice. At first, you have to learn vocabulary and you have to learn basic things like how to make sentences. And then you have to listen a lot. For example, since our childhood, we have been listening and we have been learning. And still we are talking by listening, right? Actually,
Yes.
we say what we listened. So that's why you have to listen a lot and you have to follow someone who teaches very well and you can follow on social media. Actually, there are a number of teachers on YouTube, on Facebook. You can follow them to learn something and to improve your spoken English. And if you like to improve your listening skills, so you have to listen a lot, as much as possible. And then what you have to do, you have to practice a lot. For example, if you don't practice, you can't even speak with people, with different types of people. They really would like to converse. So what I'm trying to say is that practice makes a man perfect, you know? And you know better than me,
Yeah,
right?
I'm completely agree with you.
Yeah.
So mistakes will be mistakes, and mistake give me or any person to the success. Brother, do you agree with my
Yeah, yeah.
speech?
Yeah, brother. Yeah, brother. I got you. I got your point. Actually, true error is human. You know, true error is human. So we can
Yeah,
mistake
brother.
and we can learn from mistake. If you don't mistake, if you don't do mistake, I think you won't be able to learn. For example, you are just talking and talking, you're just talking and talking with people, but you don't notice, you are not noticing your mistakes while speaking. So if you make mistake and you have to also notice. For example, whenever you are speaking with people at the time, if you have mistaken anywhere in your speaking, at the time you have to notice what was the mistake, and then you can correct it. You can correct it by others. For example, if you can notice your mistakes, what was it at the time? You can ask people that please how to say it different ways because I don't know. You can ask people like this.
Yeah, brother. Thank you. So
So, brother,
the mistake.
so as if I have to suggest you very smoothly, so what I have to say, actually, what I'm trying to say, to improve your English. So at the first time, I would say that you have to listen a lot. You have to listen a lot because if you don't understand someone else, so how will you question and answer?